Hello everyone, I'm working on rebuilding my 2001 BMW M5 in E39 body style, and today I'm working on a center console. So the one which just came with the car, as you can see, it's in really bad shape. Well, not the leather, but the actual frame. And what I decided to do is, I was searching for a while for one in a good condition, but I couldn't find one. So what I decided to do, I don't know, maybe that's kind of a crazy move, but still, that's the only solution which is I found. Since leather was in a great condition, and recently I discovered you can carefully peel this whole foam off with leather, which is I did. It takes a lot of patience, and within 20 minutes I was able to take all this leather with the foam away from the broken frame. And next step would be, so this is the normal one, I would say stock one, which is came from other E39 BMW, I believe 530i. I'm gonna take now this one off, and we'll try to manage to fit that leather on this one. I don't know if that's gonna work or not, but I'll let you guys know. So that's how it looks. Gently just find the edge and start peeling to the opposite side. Well, I need 2 hands for this. It's all done. It wasn't easy, but it's not impossible, obviously. That's the old one, so you guys can see the condition of the frame. There is a leather. As you can see, leather is in a really great shape. And that's the one which I'm gonna use. So let me show you really quick. Here we go. And that's the frame which I'm gonna use, which is in a really great shape. Wow, I'm really impressed the way it came out. The only last thing which is left to do is glue the leather to the plastic frame. I don't know if this is the right way to say, but that's the way I know. And the glue I'm gonna be using is this one. Yep, it's in a water bottle. I wasn't sure which glue to use, and I did ask a friend of mine who owns the wood company, and he suggested that one. I don't even know the name. He said that's the one which is being used for a wood, for a leather, for a metal. It holds everything, so should work. Just wanted to show you really quick my E39 M5 engine. Probably there is no difference than any other E39 M5, except this one is mine. And there is a lot of work done and a lot of work ahead. I had my cowl cover and my firewall cover replaced just a couple days ago, and for that, thanks so much for the E39 source. Thank you so much for all the help you guys, and all the videos you guys posting, and that was really helpful. I appreciate it. I was using the same parts by using the part numbers which you guys provided, and that is pretty much it. This was my first DIY video. Hopefully my English was just good enough for you to understand what I was trying to say, and thank you for watching.